Not sure if any of you have caught this clip before. I don't know why, but this stuff has been popping up all over social media lately. Seriously, like 6 out of every 10 videos I scroll through are about this. So, after thinking about it, I decided to teach you guys how to make these so we can fight fire with fire. Let's all upload our own and flood the feed right back. This process is actually divided into 2 parts. The first part is gathering your assets. Take this dancing baby on my screen, for example. To get her dancing, you need the basic movements, right? But what if you don't have them? This is actually the most crucial point. I'll give you a quick rundown on how to do it, but please remember to follow copyright laws and regulations. The second part is how to achieve that motion capture effect. There are a lot of ways to do this. There are free methods with poor results, paid methods with good results, and even free methods that look great. However, due to the difficulty level, I'm just going to cover the first 2 methods today. As for the free but high quality method, I'll be releasing a whole series of videos later on how to pull that off, so stay tuned. Let's start by talking about gathering assets. I'll keep this brief. I know you guys are smart enough to figure it out, but I have to emphasize this again. Please respect copyright laws. Don't take someone else's work and claim it as your own. First, let me show you the simplest method. You just need to type Facebook Reels download into the search bar. See? A lot of tools will pop up for you to use. If you need it for YouTube, just type YouTube download. There you go. I won't go into too much detail about these third-party tools. It's not really appropriate for me to say too much. As for me, what do I use? For the sake of my computer security, I actually wrote my own code to handle this part. After all, using random tools from the web can be risky. You never know if they'll cause issues or if the downloaded files might be unsafe. So, as you can see here, I'm using a custom script that I wrote myself. Alternatively, there is another option. Record the material yourself.
Okay.
If you want to learn how to build this tool yourself, then smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video. Your support really motivates me to keep making content like this. Next up, let's talk about motion capture. First, we'll look at the free versions. Basically, for most of these, all you need to do is sign up and you're good to go. 2 common examples are Viggle and Domo. However, because they are free, the results aren't exactly amazing. Let me show you how they work right now. First up is Domo. Using it is actually quite straightforward. Just head over to DomoAI.app and log in. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left and find AI video. Click on that, select image to video, and then choose character to video. That's the setup. Next, upload your reference video into the box on the left and place the character you want to animate in the box on the right. For the prompt, just keep it simple. Something like make the character dance. Also, don't forget to check the options below and select whether your image is a human or an animal. Then you're ready to go. Here's the catch though. The free account only gives you 15 credits, which means you can only generate a 5-second video. After you hit the generate button, just wait for it to finish processing and then you can download it. Once it's done, go ahead and download it to see how it looks. Now, let's talk about how to use Viggle AI. Just like before, head over to Viggle.ai. Once you're there, remember to sign up or log in. Look for Mix on the left sidebar and click on it. Here's how it works. Upload your reference video to the left slot and place the character you want to animate in the right slot. Then, select the option Add Motion to Be. You don't need to enter any prompt here. Just hit the mix button. After that, simply wait for it to finish generating and it's ready to download. Once it's done, go ahead and download it to see how it looks. In the next section, we're going to cover the paid features. We'll be using Kling AI for this. Just like before, head over to their website at klingai.com. Once you're there, click the Create Now button in the center to enter the creation dashboard. Before you rush to log in, you can use the registration link/code I've provided to claim some free credits. However, if you prefer to do it on your own, you can simply click Sign in the bottom left corner. Once logged in, click on the video section on the left sidebar. From there, select the Motion Control tab at the top of the screen. Next, upload your reference video into the left panel and place the image of the character you want to dance into the right panel. Make sure to check the option on the left, Character Orientation Matches Video, and then hit Generate. Now, just wait for the process to finish, and you'll be able to download the result. Since the generation takes quite a while, I'm going to cut the waiting time out of this video. Once it's done, go ahead and download it to see how it looks. I'll show you the finished product at the end. Finally, for the method that is completely free yet high quality, we need to use ComfyUI. However, since it's a bit more complicated or advanced, I won't be covering it in this video today. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the final result at the very end.